One of the deadliest climate problems in India have been droughts. India is known for the lack of rainfall, lack of water vapor, and the climate change. Being in a drought means that there is a lack of water. Without water, many people would not be able to survive. Water is a key source for many of the running things in the world today. Going through drought could cause the economy to decrease and cause a great amount of stress among the people. India is extremely vulnerable to droughts because of their lack of rainfall. Thinking beyond having no water, not enough rain, could cause crops to stop growing. This would lead to not enough food and people would be rummaging for food. This could cause a very strong negative impact on a place like India. The temperatures in India are expected to rise by 1 or 2 degrees Celsius by the year of 2050. Due to these temperature predictions, it could cause the poverty rate in India to skyrocket. The people won't have food or water, making it nearly impossible for them to survive. Some ways to stop India from increasing their poverty levels is to reduce water stress and improve job opportunities. It is important to be ahead of the climate change in order to maintain it from destroying its location.